Libra, welcome back to my channel Psychic Tanuja 2.0. I hope everyone is doing good. So Libra collectives, this reading is all about your current surrounding and what is the outcome of your current surrounding. So this reading is going to be for next 48 hours. Those who haven't subscribed, guys, just hit the like button and subscribe and let me know in the comment section if you feel like this reading is resonating with you. And thank you very much, guys, for giving me love and support. Now let's see what is your current situation, okay, and what is the outcome of that current situation. Okay, so you can find out a link on the comment section of All Signs Collective, whatever comes out in upcoming time period. That reading is going to be for all signs. Okay, so you can check out the comment section also. That is a shorts uploaded on my uploaded on my channel. Okay, now let's see Libra collectives, what is your current situation? What is your current situation, Libra collectives? What is your current situation? Okay, and what is the outcome of that current situation? What is the outcome of that current situation? So you will see something unexpected coming your way, heading your way. There is something coming unexpected to you, that is I'm getting. The current energy which is representing me is Strength card here, okay, and another energy which is 4 of diamonds, 6 of diamonds, and Emperor card. Oh my god, guys, what you are doing? What you are doing, you are preparing for something at the current moment. This could be you are preparing for a new job, this could be you are preparing for a job change, this could be it is all about shifting your focus to become an emperor of getting something in your life. So at the current moment you are definitely celebrating something in your life, or you have some plans. This is very good. I'm just feeling like you are going to receive something in the future. You have some planning regarding a situation. This could be love, this could be career. You are definitely working on something, that is I'm getting very strongly, because there is strength. So you haven't received that, but you are working on your goals. You are working on building something in your life in terms of your career or finance. Okay, I'm not getting this is all about relationship. This could be about relationship, that you are trying to shift your focus in terms of your love life, and you are trying to learn something about your love life. Okay, but majorly I'm getting about a career situation. So you are trying to win something in your life. Okay, or this could be you are changing your personality this time, working on yourself. Exactly, you are definitely pushing something that made you stuck in the past in terms of love or career, and finally you are ready to work on yourself. You are changing your perspective, Libra. You are changing your perspective, and this is very beautiful, because you are going to enter into a new state of your life. You are becoming passionate to build something in your life, and that is going to be definitely rewarding in the future, and you know that. This is a very beautiful point, that you believe in yourself. Something is going to be shifting in your favor. That is so good, guys. I like your confidence. Okay, let's see the outcome of your current situation that is coming, which is 5 of diamonds, okay, which is Wheel of Fortune, and with this Death card. Oh my god, guys, oh my god, that is so beautiful. Okay, so you are working so hard this time on you are believing on yourself. You are working so hard on your project or something that you want to do, and expect a blessing, because there is conflict is going to be removed. When universe is watching you doing something passionately, universe will definitely release all the blockages from your life. So expect in next 48 hours that whatever you are doing, you are going to get the smooth results of that situation. At the same time, oh my god, there are multiple opportunities coming your way. Okay, just a second, guys. So there are multiple opportunities coming your way, Libra collectors, because I see King of Cups and King of Swords. Okay, so you are becoming flexible this time. This could be in situation also. Clarify this King of Swords, King of Swords, King of Wands. Oh my god, you are working on building something in your life. You are making some strategies here. Okay, you are definitely releasing the past strategies and working on new things. Okay, this could be a new career project, this could be a new career situation, this could be working on 2 different things at one point of time. So this is like you are working so hard, and that will definitely reward you. Give me the final outcome of the situation. You are highly dedicated, Libra. Okay, very good. Which is Knight of Swords. Yes, you are going to get some blessings, which is you can release the stagnancy. You are going to get the results that you want. You are going to get the results that you are waiting for. Okay, because there is 5 of Pentacles, releasing of the Hanged Man, stagnant point of your life. Okay, so expect some blessings coming your way very quickly. I'm seeing my screen here, so I'm getting 333. You can claim this reading by typing 333 in the comment section, and I'm getting a very beautiful energies coming your way in terms of your career situation. Expect some blessings. You are your own hero. Okay, so that is for today, guys. Bye bye.